Hello, it's Fairy Julianne, dressed as a regular person today. Shh, don't tell anybody that I'm really a fairy. I'm going to show you how to make a balloon wand. It's a flower wand and it's a variation on a snowflake. So, you need a balloon pump, and first thing you do is stretch your balloon. It'll help it to be nice and soft and prevent popping. Pop it on there, blow it all the way to the end and let out quite a bit of air. That'll always help you to tie the balloon off. So wrap it around your fingers like that. Okay, now for a snowflake, you would tie the ends here. Okay, so I'll just make the snowflake so you remember what to do. So pop that in there, tie it, and then this end that you've just tied, press it all the way down, squish it. Don't be afraid to squish your balloons. Really get in there. They will not pop as long as you've made it nice and soft, which is letting enough air out. Okay, then you just twist it just a couple of times, and then whilst you're still holding here, just feed in the other side, squish it in. See, squish, I'm squishing. I've even got my nails in there and it's not popping because that initial balloon was quite soft. Okay, so feed it in, squish it down and just twist one side around. And that is your snowflake. Okay, so now we're going to make a balloon flower with that same idea. So if you can make a snowflake, you can make a balloon flower wand. Okay, so let's give it a stretch. Now the pink ones I find seem to blow up really long, and there are definitely variations between the different colored balloons. So inflate it all the way to the ends. Let the air out. It's quite a bit of air. So now I've got lots to tie with. So I'm going to wrap it around my two fingers, feed that in. Okay, now to make the balloon wand flower, so we're going to make some petals here. So we want to hold this knobbly end, okay? Whichever hand you're most comfortable in. There we go, it's like that. And then all you do, whilst you're holding this, just twist this part, grab it and twist it so that it falls into this part that you're holding. That's it, see? That's it, that's all you need to do. Now, to tie it off, this bit that you're still holding there, right? Just feed it through this loop. Just like that. So, wound it in a couple of times. That way it won't come undone. And then make another loop. Squish and twist. Another loop. Squish and twist. There we go. And that's it. You only need to make 3 petals. So that is done. That's the bottom of the wands, and now you get to put the flower center in, and we're going to use unicorns today. Got my little unicorn bag, and of course you can use whichever round balloon that you like. So these I think are 15-inch round balloons with a cute unicorn on the top, and again let a little air out to make it easy for yourself to tie. Wrap it around. This is how I tie. There is a one-handed method, but I've become accustomed to doing it this way. All right, and just feed it through. So this is always the end that you use for tying. So basically what I mean by that is that's what you wrap around to tie it up. See, I'm just like wrapping it around like that as many times as you like. You probably only need to do it 3 times, but sometimes it just feels good to keep wrapping. And then just straighten up your balloon wand, and that's it. There you have a beautiful unicorn flower wand, which the little girls just love. I hope you go well with making your flower balloon wand. Let me know in the comments how you did. Bye for now.